Today I'm going to be showing how to disable Office automatic updates in Windows 10. So while Office 2016 is configured to automatically update your Office installation whenever new updates are available, we're going to show an option here how to disable these automatic updates. So if you choose not to have Microsoft automatically download updates for you for the Office suite, this tutorial is going to be for you guys. So we're going to start by heading over to any Office product. I'm just going to select Word because most base installations of Microsoft Office should include Word. So anyway, we're going to just go underneath a blank document here, and then we're going to go up to the File tab at the top. And then we're going to left click on Account on the left side here. We're going to left click on this little button that says Update Options. And then you want to select Disable Updates. And this will say Don't Update for Security, Performance, and Reliability. So select that option. You will receive a user account control window. Please know you have to be signed in or have administrator privileges in order to access this feature. So left click on Yes. And we can see that we get a little thing here saying this product will not be updated. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.